you sail on, O flag so great. Sail o'er, O flag, city and state. Humanity with all its fears, with all the hopes of future years, is hanging breathless on thy fate. Be proud of the history great, the flag that glorifies to date. It's flown over all these years, times of gladness and through tears, through victory and loss in fate. Fly that flag high and proud to date, infinitely it shall not wait. For new patriots to serve their lives again in reserve, may it stand tall without debate. And to you, God grant with mercy this old flag and wondrous country, may it wave forevermore. For the future to restore, to place thy